Hey guys, I'm Nita.
And I'm Blake.
And I'm one of the inventors of the Better Better. And what is the Better Better? The Better Better is like a giant headband that wraps around your mattress. You put it on once and you never have to put it on again. And it becomes a part of your mattress for the lifetime of your mattress. So then you simply just tuck your sheets in from the top and your sheets will stay on and you won't have to lift that mattress to make your bed. And then you don't have to wash it because you don't sleep on it.
Yep. And remember, guys, we've been touching base on some of the question and answers that we normally get on these live videos. But if you do have a specific question, go to our website. We have plenty of question and answers on there. If you click the questions tab at the top, it'll bring you to that list. And most of them have a video demonstration, so it's easier to explain and easier to understand. So go check that out.
Yep.
It's really cool.
It's really cool. So, and if it's not on there, call us or email us, text us, whatever. We'll answer it.
So Nita, now, what are we going to talk about today?
All right, Blake Amelie, we're going to talk about the importance of measuring your mattress. Guys, we can't express how important it is to measure your mattress. I know when you go to the store and you buy a king and a queen and a full, you think you're getting a standard size full queen. You would be surprised. Just the queen itself, and they're all called queens. So you go to the store, the mattress store, you want a queen, they show you all these queens. And let me just tell you, these are some of the sizes of the queens. The standard size is 60 by 80, but the queen comes in 60 by 75, 60 by 84, 66 by 80, and they're all called queens. So when you get home, you say, I have a queen, which you should because they're called queens. They're not called Queen XL, Super Queen, they're just called queens. So when you go to purchase a Better Better, our Better Better is made for standard size, the 60 by 80 queen. I'm going to use that for the example. And so when you get home, you got a queen, you put the Better Better on. The Better Better is going to fit these odd sizes, but it won't work properly. You say, oh, the Better Better slides down a little bit, or the Better Better it's not holding the sheets as tight. Well, the chance, if that's happening, it's probably because you don't have that standard queen that you think you have. And you might want to order a custom the way to make it work. And let me just tell you, we have this person that wrote in, and she said, I bought my queen mattress. When I put it on my base bed, I found my queen mattress is smaller than the supposed 60 by 80. It was 2 inches longer in length and 1 inch shorter in width. This bothers me a lot as the mattress moves on my bed base. Guys, she ended up with a 59 by 78. So I didn't even mention that size on here. So the queen, so if she would have purchased a standard Better Better, the Better Better would have been a little bit too big for it and it wouldn't have worked properly. So I can't express enough. Measure, if you're going to purchase a Better Better, measure your mattress because we want you to love it as much as we love it. And if you have the correct Better Better on your mattress, it's going to work and you're going to love it. So today, measure your mattress. MYM Day. Measure your mattress. So I'm going to do some thank yous. The thank yous go out to Jackie, Pauline, Nancy, Sheila, Gail, Annette, Bonnie, Angie, I know, Sonia, everybody, I know that. And I want to do a special shout out to my mom, Eva, who shares every post that we do on Better Better and all my personal posts too. Thank you, Mom. Love you. But thanks for supporting us so much. So I want to give you a shout out. And Blake, you can do the quote of the day today.
All right. The quote is from Deborah from Indiana. She said, I am a senior citizen with bad knees. I can no longer lift the heavy mattresses when changing sheets. I saw a video on Facebook and ordered one for each bed, and I am so thrilled. Great product, quality is sturdy, price is fair. I highly recommend this for every age group, especially if you're a restless sleeper all night long. Yep. You'll wake up not having to take 15 minutes to remake your bed. Yep. Love, love, love this product.
Yep. Love, love, love. All right, and now it brings us to Nita's short comment of the week, which is from Rita, and Rita says, Smarty Pants, I like it. Well, we are Smarty Pants, and we like it, and we like you too, Rita. So thanks for the comment. Made my day. So, and that's it, I think.
Yeah, you have a good weekend.
All right, good weekend.
Go Tigers.
Go Tigers.